सो हमको ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि छटपटी हम ही को है, गुरु जी को देखना है, गुरु जी को सुनना है. So we think only we have the yearning for our Guru, and I want to see him, I want to hear him. But those who've been witness to Guruji's presence, he has more yearning to be with us. Haven't you seen that? No? Like, see, 1 or 2 days we might skip satsang. Does Guruji skip satsang? Never. And you know why he comes here? He comes for us. And whenever it's time, he has so much. When devotees are waiting, he will leave everything in such a busy schedule. He will still make time to meet every devotee. Have you seen that? Darshan line or whatever. However busy he is, he will still make time. Today also, I'm sure. That's what is happening. He must have, he's on the way, just, you know how Bangalore traffic is, right? बट हमको जितनी छटपटी है ना, उससे ज्यादा वहां छटपटी होगी अभी, दैट ही वांट्स टू मीट अस. सो वंस गुरुजी, समबडी आस्क्ड गुरुजी कि गुरुजी अब आप हमको मिल गए हो, अब जीवन बड़ा सुंदर हो गया है, अब छोड़ोगे तो नहीं साथ. तो गुरुजी मुस्कुराए और बोले, तुम्हारे पास वो चॉइस है, मेरे पास अब चॉइस नहीं रहा. You know, one day, somebody asked Guruji, now that you have come into my life has become so beautiful. You won't go away from my life now. And Guruji smiled and he said, you have that choice, I don't. He says, once I hold your hand, I have no choice, I will never leave you. मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. एक बार हमने पकड़ लिया. वैसे ही है, वही है वो बंधन. हमको लगता है हम डिवोटी है उनके. नो, वी थिंक वी आर ग्रेट डिवोटीज. बट इफ यू सी हिम ऑपरेट, देन दैट डाउट कम्स. आई एम द डिवोटी और ही इज द डिवोटी. ही इज द गुरु, बट perhaps he is more devoted to his devotees than the devotee is to the guru. You know? Those who have seen him operating every day, you have seen how Guruji operates, right? 20 hours a day, 365 days a year, he works. On the physical level, in the 3 hours on the ethereal level, still be working. You know. So one day, he never, at that time, Guruji never used to sleep in the afternoon. And we used to say, Guruji, no, you rest some. And he said, no, we have not come to rest. We have come to wake people up. And there is no time. Go give knowledge to people. And we'll say, Guruji, yeah, but you've been so busy, rest for some time. And he won't rest in the afternoons. Then one day, our Vikram, he asked Guruji, means so late in the night, you are continuously at it. Phones are coming from all over the world. You keep talking to people. You keep solving all the problems. Everybody feels so nice and everything. Do you ever rest? And Guruji says, of course. In between lifetimes,